Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. If you're planning to take a break from social media or just want to remove your account completely, watch this video till the end. Okay, so to delete your account, you just need to open your browser and simply write Facebook. First of all, you need to log in Facebook. So guys, as you can see, our Facebook is open. If you are not logged in, you just need to write your email ID and password, and after click on that, you can easily access your Facebook account. So to delete your account, you just need to click on this profile section, and here you need to choose setting and privacy. Then choose setting. Here in this section, here is personal detail. Okay, so simply click on it. Now here you need to choose personal detail. Okay, and in this section, you need to click on account ownership and control. Let's do. So to delete your account, here you need to choose deactivation or deletion option. Okay, let's do. Choose this. Now to delete your account, simply tick this option and click on continue. Okay, so as you can see here, Facebook is asking for the reason why you want to delete your account. You will see option like I spent too much time on Facebook, I just need a break, or my account was hacked. You can choose any reason or simply continue without selecting one. So here for an example, I will choose here and scroll down and click on continue. Okay, now it's true. So guys, as you can see, it says permanently delete account. Once you delete it, your Facebook and Messenger will be removed permanently and you will not be able to recover them. If you just want a break, you can choose deactivate account instead. You can also move your post to archive before deletion and then click next to continue. So here I'll click on continue. Okay, so to delete, first of all, you need to write your password. So simply write your password. It's for security reason. So write your password. Then click on continue. Okay. So as you can read, the process of deleting your account is scheduled and within 30 days, your account will be deleted. Just click on delete account. Okay. Now wait for a few moments. As you saw, I was directly redirected to the Facebook login section, which means my account is now in the deletion process. I hope you understand how to permanently delete your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.